Now let's take it a step further and produce a UML analysis model of those requirements. Okay? In particular, let's come up with a particular class called the account class, and you can make some assumptions. You can assume that all the deposits and withdrawals are made in amounts that are positive integer number of dollars. And you also do not need to include an attribute for the current bank balance. We will add that as a refinement later. Recall that a class description in UML has a rectangle with 3 boxes. The top box is the name of the class. Here we're going to call it account. The middle box has any attributes of that class. And here the attribute that makes sense is some history of the user's transactions, the withdrawals and deposits. I call that particular attribute transactions, and I'm treating it as a sequence of integers because we already assumed that all the deposits and withdrawals are in integers. The class also has 3 operations corresponding to the requirements. One is deposits, that takes an integer value and doesn't return anything. Second is a withdrawal, which takes an integer value and doesn't return anything. And the third is the query asking for the balance, which doesn't take any arguments, but returns an integer value.